Another term you might come across when getting started or diving into ChatGPT are plugins. Plugins are tools that can be used in connection with ChatGPT with the goal to enhance ChatGPT's capabilities. One core application area for such plugins is code execution. So with plugins, we would be able to write and execute code directly in the browser, so directly in ChatGPT. By default, ChatGPT is only able to generate code for us, but the execution inside the browser is not possible. We have to do this on our own, on our machines. Another core thing ChatGPT doesn't have at the moment by default is internet access. Internet access is also one of the core areas tackled by plugins because with internet access, we could retrieve latest data, by connecting ChatGPT to the internet. This sounds all amazing, so adding these features to ChatGPT via plugins would make it an even better and even more impressive tool, generating even better and more up-to-date results. The problem is that plugins at the moment are not publicly available. Limited alpha access is possible through a waitlist, but this waitlist is quite long at the moment. You can also find out more about plugins on the official OpenAI website. There you can, for example, join this waitlist I was referring to. You can dive into the official docs already. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you can find more information about plugins in general. And you can also find information about some companies that have plugin access already and use these plugins for their companies in connection with ChatGPT. This is obviously a very theoretical lecture, so let me give you one example how such plugins could be integrated into ChatGPT. Let's say you want to plan a city trip with the help of ChatGPT. Therefore, you would get started to enable required plugins first. So plugins that are required for a city trip could be a plugin to get access to a website that allows you to book flights and hotels. And if you're looking for restaurants, you could also activate the plugin that allows you to book a table at a restaurant. The typical way to plan the trip now could be to select a destination first. So you could, for example, let ChatGPT give you a list of great travel destinations and then you select one. Afterwards, you let ChatGPT book the flight and the hotel. This is something that is not possible at the moment without having a plugin. With a plugin, with the required internet access and access to the site that allows you to book the flight and the hotel, this would enhance the capabilities of ChatGPT here significantly. And once you are at the destination, you could also use ChatGPT and the plugin to find a restaurant and to book a table at the restaurant of your choice. So this is an example use case for such plugins. As you learned, plugins are not publicly available yet, but when diving into ChatGPT, at least having heard about plugins and understanding the general idea behind these is important in my opinion. Therefore, we wanted to give you at least a quick introduction into this topic.